before they met again. Some 20 years they had to wait. This time it happened up above inside St. Peter's Gate. A harp each one was carrying, and both were sprouting wings. And this is what they said as they were strumming on the strings.
Hello, how are you?
How's the folks?
What's new?
I'm great.
That's good.
Ha ha.
Knock wood.
Well, well.
That's life.
What do you know?
How's the wife?
Gotta fly.
Oh my.
Ta-ta.
Olive oil.
Goodbye.